Welcome guys. In this video I'll be telling you guys how you can go about creating a Clickbank account here in Nigeria. Okay, because I uploaded a video early this January 1st, yes, like how to create Clickbank account 2022. I started seeing some comments, people saying the method is not working, fake. Okay, but actually the method was working before, but I think Clickbank became stricter and they notice the people using VPN and the rest. Okay, so I'll be explaining how you can go about creating a Clickbank account this 2022. Okay, this method might look stressful, but if you really want a Clickbank account, you can give it a try. Okay, so let's get to it. So my name is Abdulhamid. Welcome to my channel, Online Money Ozu. Okay, I post video on how to make money online, both affiliate marketing, CP marketing, blog, and the rest. Okay, so if you are new, you kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified to have a new video on this channel. So regarding the creating a Clickbank account, okay, so actually I had my own Clickbank account since 2019. Up to now, it's still active and still make use of VPN. Okay, maybe it might be the country you are creating for. I actually created the UK Clickbank account here in Nigeria, and it's still active up to now. But something you should take note of is that now Clickbank is strict, and I think if you create using any VPN, before you finish registering, you write account rejected or something like that. Okay, so the best method of creating a Clickbank account now is you having a friend in a supported country. Okay, you tell your friend to create accounts maybe with his own name, details. Okay, when you open name, details, everything. Okay, so the account is approved, but you're the one that you're not to be using the account, so you have to like have the VPN of. Let me say, okay, let me put an example. Like, okay, you have someone in, let me say, in South Africa. I think Clickbank has in South Africa. You have someone in South Africa. You tell him to create a Clickbank account in his own name, his ID, in case if Clickbank say he should verify his ID. So verify with his own ID, like register with his ID, everything. So once the account is approved, you can use your email, you can send person your email, you use it so you can have access to the accounts fully. So person will send you logins. So if you want to access the account, you can do it two ways. Either you log in with a normal Nigerian IP, but I won't advise you to do that. You can log in with your South Africa, like download the VPN, that's South African IP. Make sure it's tonne VPN, like Express VPN. Don't just use any free VPN. Those VPN, their IP are very weak, and that's why you guys get banned and blocked. Okay, so have someone there that create the account for you, collect the logins, and also maybe collect their ID, because Clickbank might like ban your account. Maybe yes, randomly ban your account, and you can just contact them that, oh, your account got banned. They'll tell the reason. If it's something related to like IP and stuff, tell them that, okay, they have South Africa, blah blah, and you because of your ID, you show them and they'll bring back your account back. So, but sometimes they ban accounts for another reasons. Not everything is IP, but most accounts now, when you're creating it, they banned because of IP. Maybe the IP are using, they noticed that it was from a VPN, and they noticed that, oh, they are registered from an unsupported country. So the best way is have someone in a supported country create the Clickbank account. They send you the logins with their own ID. In case if Clickbank asks for ID, okay, at any time Clickbank will ask, and your payment method, you can use their details to create a Pioneer account. You can have multiple Pioneer accounts with one ID, I think so. So you can create a Pioneer account with their details, okay? So if you want to receive the payment, so the name on the Clickbank account must be the same name on the paper, so there won't be like any clash, okay? So that's just how to get Clickbank account. But there are a lot of alternatives to Clickbank accounts. If you find this method stressful, there is Digistore24, there is JVZoo, there is Partner Stack. There are many more, okay, and there are many individual affiliate program you can join. Actually, Clickbank is cool, but another best alternative is Digistore24. Or if there are some people that sell Clickbank accounts, okay, but it might get scammed in the process. Another way you can get Clickbank accounts is those people that have a strong, very IP, like use RDP or what do you call this, like all those strong VPN that you can't even know that is from, that they can't even really trace you, but that might be very stressful or very costly for you to get this kind of VPN. That was actually works now. Okay, for the meantime, pending till when there's a new method to create it. So if you want to create a Clickbank account, try using a very strong VPN, maybe from a fresh IP you have not used at all, maybe from a new phone, okay? And once you're able to register an account, don't like log into the account frequently, and make sure you check the account maybe once a week. Not that you keep promoting and when you make sale, when you log into your account, see your account is banned. So for the meantime, I personally won't advise you to go through this stress. So I want you to like check out other alternatives to Clickbank and use them for the meantime, okay? But if you really want Clickbank account, the best method I'll tell you is have someone in a supported country to create it for you, and okay, and you can have the logins and use the country in South Africa, use South African IP to log in to the account, and you are safe. So that's just all about creating Clickbank account, and I hope this video will really help you in getting your Clickbank account. So if you actually enjoyed this video, can I give you a thumbs up, comment down below if you are able to create your Clickbank account or not, and if you have any issue, you can comment. And also you can contact me on Instagram. Link to my Instagram profile is in the description of this video, so click on it and message me. I usually reply instantly, okay? So thank you very much. Have a nice day.